Hello everyone, we are on step 12 of learning CSS Flexbox by building a photo gallery on freeCodeCamp.org. Flexbox has a main and cross axis. The main axis is defined by the flex direction property, which has 4 possible values: row, row reverse, column, and column reverse. So I've already added a flex direction property, so let's see what the different values do. So row is the default. Row reverse causes the pictures to switch. We'll do column, which makes them vertical, and column reverse, which puts them vertically and reversed. So as for the instructions for this step, we will set it to row. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found that helpful, and I will see you next time.